Okay, real talk. So, if you're memorizing list words right now and hoping it will make you fluent, I have to tell you something. It's probably not gonna work. I know, because I did it for years and it didn't work for me. So, in this video, I'm going to tell you why word lists don't work and what to do instead. Hi, my name is Sarah, and in my channel, I'm going to teach you how to speak English like a native speaker. But today, I'm going to show you how to learn English vocabulary the right way. Here's the thing, I'm an English teacher and I see this every day. A long list of words with their meaning in front of them. But when you ask them to use that in their speaking, they can't. So, why does that happen? Well, because memorizing a word is not the same as knowing it. According to skill acquisition theory, we learn English by using it, not by memorizing it. So instead of memorizing long lists of words, learn them in context, read them in sentences, and also you can say them out loud and use them in real life conversations. Because language is not a list of words, it's a skill, and skills are built through practice. I learned this the hard way. For years, my teachers gave me long lists of vocabulary and grammar books. I really hated it, and I even stopped learning English for 2 years. At the end, what helped me wasn't those lists, wasn't the grammar books they gave me. It was watching a lot of English shows. Okay, you may ask, if my lists don't work, what does? First, learn words in sentence, not alone. Don't just memorize the word happy. Find a sentence or a video and see how people really use it. Second, use the new word right away. Don't just look at the word and move on. Make a sentence in your head, even a simple one, and say it out loud. Third, hear the word again and again and again. First in a sentence, then in a song, then in a movie. Now it will stick to your brain. This is how babies learn their first language. They just hear the word again and again and again in real life, and it will stick to their brain. Okay, now let's practice this together. I'll tell you a word and you make a sentence in your mind. Pause the video and say it out loud. The word is tired. Well done. Maybe you said something like, I'm tired today, or she's very tired. That's it. That's how you learn a word, by using it in your sentence. Now, if you need to see the words in more context, you can just ask any AI you're using to do that for you. So, if this was useful for you, please hit the like button and subscribe. It will be really helpful for the channel. And comment down below a word that you know, but you never use it. See you soon. Bye.